Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may look like a couple months worth of time. It's actually just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7, so if you're watching this video 20 hours from now, then yeah, the chart's going to look a little bit different, but my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels, and then walking through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So as I speak right now, volume has been pouring in, and the breakout is underway. Breakout of what? Well, for those of you that have watched the past videos, you've probably grown sick of me talking about 9,300, 9,300. But today, separation has finally occurred. So that is where the first update needs to come into play. And this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And actually, on that note, I'm going to get rid of these lines. They've served their purpose for now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But now the very first question you need to ask yourself. So let's just use that 15-hour, 20-hour number. So you're watching this video 20 hours from now. Question one becomes, where's the price at relative to 9,300? As long as you're answering the question that the price is above 9,300, then as far as I'm concerned, the bulls are in full health. Everything is perfectly fine. I mean, even if, and I'm not saying this will be the case, but let's say that you're watching and the price is actually, sitting down around the 9,300 mark. I mean, stop and think about what that's still telling you. That is still giving you a set of lows right here. And then you have this low right here, and then you have lows, even lower than that. But these two will suffice. So what is that still telling you, especially if you picture those as stair steps? That's still representing progress being made in the upwards direction. And that's what it's all about from the bigger picture point of view. You just want to see progress being made forward. So again, 9,300 is that first question. Like I said, as long as you're answering the question, or the question that the price is up above there, then a good consolidation. Now, on the flip side of that, you could be answering the question, well, Clay, not only is the price above there, the price is X amount higher. Well, from that point, gut instincts, common sense, meaning from where it is right now, as I do the video right here around 9,800, the further up the price is above 9,800 when you may be watching this, that just means that the more powerful this breakout has actually become. So from that angle, very gut instincts, very common sense. So again, 9,800, if you're sitting here saying, well, now Clay, it's actually at 10,500. Well, that just tells you the breakout has gotten that much more continuation. So use those levels. I should note though, if somehow you're answering the question that the price is down below 9,300, then you want to take an inventory check of that purple line there, the 50 period moving average. So to make that a little easier, 9,000 would be the value. So if you're saying, well, Clay, the price is down below 9,300, next question, okay, well, is the price still up above 9,000 at least? And even if you're saying that the price is down below 9,000, doesn't mean the chart's destroyed, but that would certainly be a relatively big red flag that something severely wrong is all of a sudden taking place. But like I said, I'd be shocked if you were answering the question, in that manner. But overall, use these levels, walk yourself through those questions, and that'll keep this video relevant for as long as possible. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.